video, we're going to talk about a brand new play-to-earn game that you can play on Discord, and it is called Journey to Godhood. So this game will be released on September 9, so make sure to check this one out. But first of all, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this, guys. And let's just jump right into it, okay? So again, Journey to Godhood is a Discord-based text game that you can play directly here on the Discord server itself. So you can be able to play it here. There is a how to play guide that I'm going to show to you. But first of all, before I talk into the how to play, let's talk about how you can buy this NFTs while it is still cheap. Because if you're going to look at the land of Journey to God, it is selling like really high right now. So let's look at the price lowest. You see now that the price is around $700. Before it was around $300. And the reason why it actually happens like that, it is because having a land inside the game gives a lot more benefits and profits into your case as well. So it is entirely awesome, really good. And for you to be able to buy some packs here, which is available right now, you can buy a starter pack for around $8.33, but I'm going to recommend you that if you have a budget, you go for a God pack, because that's giving you a better, if you're going to look into these details, so you will be able to get a better, you're going to be getting a better equipment or NFTs inside this God pack. So it is highly recommended that if you have a budget, then go for it, because it is just $60. And I'm also going to give away 4 of these starter packs. So make sure, actually 3. So make sure to buy and also subscribe into my channel. Also follow my Twitter and also like me on Facebook for you to be able to join into my giveaway, and also comment down below your WAM address for this game as well. So let's just talk more on how you can actually play Journey to Godhood, okay? So for you to be able to play this, okay, you need the weapon and armor for Journey to Godhood. So for you to have it, you need to have a few different options. You can either buy a starter pack, or you can also buy it individually into this part right here. So let's just copy and paste it. So you can buy the weapons and armor individually in the secondary market, just in case that you are pretty much critical on what items that you want to buy. So you can just directly go here into the weapon. You can also go here into the armor, and it actually depends on you. It entirely depends on you, okay? So let's just go back again into the tutorial, okay? So after you've already bought your weapon and armor, you can now verify your Wax account into this verification channel. This part right here, you can be able to verify it by using the command verification. After using this command, the bot Poseidon JTG will send you a private message, and afterwards you can go to any of these play one channels. So this is this channel over here, but right now it is not yet open. It is because the launching is on September 9, so probably you will be able to play this on September 9, and also grab some of your packs so that it is you are equipped for you to play this one. So just do exclamation point profile to start playing public, or you can do start Zeus, and the bot Zeus JTG will DM you so that you can play privately without chat being spam. Because this part over here, you can play this anywhere of the channels, but into this start Zeus, you will be able to play it with the Zeus commands, chat, so that you will be able to play it privately without spamming, and also giving some irritations to other people who are trying to learn this game as well. So again, you need to equip both of your armor to play the game. Afterwards, you can start adventuring and even fighting monsters. So they do have a fact section over here. So this is the frequency asked questions. So if you have any questions, and you think that it is inside this, then probably you should look forward into the fact section. And if you have an additional questions, you can just ask directly here into the general chat. And as you can see here, the admins, the developers are actually, what do you call that? Answering these questions one by one as well. Okay? So, this is the white paper that I want to show to you. So this is the white paper that you can see inside the website, so it's actually good. The developers are not known, but it has a white paper, so it doesn't really matter. What matters here is that they are complete with professionalism and stuff, and also they do have a token that will be listed into the Alcor exchange. So let me just go forward into it, okay? So when you are, what do you call that? When you are fighting here, okay? When you are fighting an opponent or a monsters, you are getting God tokens. So GodCoins, rather. So GodCoins are the official coin token for the game, and you will receive them after every fight. The stronger the opponent you face, the more GodCoins you can receive after winning a fight. So you see here that it's pretty much similar to CryptoBlades, but I mean, it is on Discord, okay? So fighting in dungeons also increases substantially the amount of GodCoins and XP. However, dungeons will need to be completed in a party with other players. So you will be also you will be able to earn GodCoins by selling materials used for crafting in the marketplace. So GodCoins will be listed in Alcor Swap for you to buy and sell for other currencies as well. So they do have an economy system over here where this is the use cases of the GodCoins. So it is being used for the tents, consumables, stat resets, in-game marketplace taxes, crafting, governance token, lottery, monthly divine weapon drop. You can also pay GodCoins to bypass the low energy daily max fight cap. So you will be able to earn more GodCoins into this part by paying GodCoins as well. And it is being used for the events. So this is actually good because there's a lot of use case. So means that this is burned. So there won't be an oversupply or anything into this game. It's just very simple. You just need a weapon and armor, and you will be able to play this game. So this is the system. Like this is the grades of the weapon. An equipment rather. There is a six grades. The first one is the common, which is the normal NFT. The other one is rare. The other one is epic, legendary, and even mythic, and divine. Okay, so this divine is like a special event. So if you are looking at to the event, let's say there's only a maximum of 5-star, but into a special event you can get up to 6-star depending on how lucky you are into this game. And this is the refining system, so you need to have 2 weapons with the same name. For example, you need to have 2 basic sword and you will get a rare basic sword. And if you're going to combine 1 common and rare, you will get an epic basic. So this is actually good because you do not need 2 of the same kind because that's a lot more harder. Into this part right here, you will be able to earn up to mythic just by having this. Okay, just by having this rare basic sword. You can now look for a common basic sword and you can be able to get a legendary basic sword after that. And what you just need to do is just buy another common basic sword and then combine your legendary basic sword and you will get a mythic basic sword. So what does it mean for you? You will be able to earn more God tokens into this game. So it is entirely good. And this is the crafting system. So they are also allowing the players to craft weapons using the materials they get from fights and dungeons. So I think people should actually focus on upgrading their character and also maximizing the statistics so that you will be able to earn more God coins as well. Because like what I've said, the hardest your opponent is, the higher God coins that you will able to get. Okay, so this is the land that I'm talking about. So lands is being selling like a hotcake right now. The lowest price of the land is cost more than $688, and before it was around $300, and it can be even go up once the game has launched. It could be go up to 900, up to 1,200. It actually depends on what will happen into the game as well. So every time a player fights and wins, 5% of the God coins they won will be added into a global land pool, and at the end of the day, the pool will be split all over the landowners, and if there are an open land packs, each landowner will get more God coins due to some lands having no owner. So this is entirely good because it is being this is entirely balanced. So you do not need, like, you do not need to ask some people, or maybe ask into the Discord that they should play into this land, and then maybe they can have some rewards or something, because you can now directly do it inside this land over here. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. Also, before I forget, they do have an Ask Me Anything section over here. So this is the what they call that. This is a channel that is entirely what do you call that? This is a channel that is entirely created for the Ask Me Anything section. So I mean, I would recommend you to actually ask questions entirely here, and of course you will not be able to blend with other people who are just asking like basic questions, or just having a conversation with some people. So if you have, like, if you want to know more about the announcements, you can also add it into your server, and this is like the announcement channel that is into their Discord, so make sure to check this one as well. So that's pretty much it, okay? So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.